Hetal Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Wood Apple Resources. Class 2 EVS. I'm your teacher Vani. Here are your friends.
I am Bhupi. I am Abby.
Dear students, today I'm going to teach you Chapter 10, Green Cover. Hello dear children, are you ready for an exciting journey through plants and their uses? Look at the picture and tell me which of the following is a tree, a shrub, an herb, a climber, or a creeper.
Mango is a tree. Rose is a shrub. Coriander is an herb. Money plant is a climber. And watermelon is a creeper.
Well done, Whoopi. So dear students, from the picture, we have learned that there are many types of plants that are found in our surroundings. Students, we are going to meet different parts of a plant. Each one has a special job to do. Let us start with some interesting riddles and see what each part of the plant does, and identify them on the basis of these clues. Here is the first riddle. This part of the plant remains underground and is colorless. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil, holds the plant in the soil, and binds the soil too.
It is root.
Great job. Okay, tell me which part of the plant supports the plant and holds up the leaves, flowers, fruits, etc.
Stem.
Superb. The stem also carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves and other parts of the plant. The next part is juicy and yummy. People eat them to stay healthy. They also protect the seeds inside them.
Fruits protect the seeds.
Well done. Let us move ahead. It is a bright and colorful part of the plant, and it smells wonderful. Its job is to help the plant make seeds.
It is a flower.
Very good. Okay, now identify which part of the plant is green and make food for the plant using sunlight.
These are leaves.
That is how all the parts of a plant work together. Each part is important and helps the plant grow strong and healthy.
मतलब प्लांट के हर पार्ट का एक अलग काम है और हर पार्ट प्लांट के लिए जरूरी है.
Students, we have learned about different parts of plants. Let us continue to learn more about plants through the story of Hetal and her Ba, which means grandmother. Hetal and Ba loves to sit under their neem tree. Let us see their conversation about the trees.
I love the cool breeze of our neem tree and I enjoy sitting under its shade, Ba.
Plants not only give us shade, we get many other things from plants, like oxygen to breathe and food to eat. We also get different varieties of fruits, vegetables and grains from plants.
We get many things from plants. Do you know that even the oil that Ba is putting in Hetal's hair comes from the coconut, which grows on a coconut tree?
And from where do we get cooking oil?
We get cooking oil from trees too. Cooking oils like mustard oil is obtained from mustard seeds. Peanut oil is obtained from peanuts. Sunflower oil is obtained from sunflower seeds, etc.
पेड़ों की ठंडी हवा को हम सभी पसंद करते हैं. पेड़ों से हमें ऑक्सीजन मिलती है जो जीवन के लिए जरूरी है. पेड़ हमें फल, फूल और सब्जियां देते हैं. गेहूं, चावल और दूसरे अनाज भी पेड़ पौधों से मिलते हैं जो हमारे भोजन का मुख्य भाग है। भोजन बनाने के लिए उपयोग होने वाले तेल और अन्य तेल जैसे सरसों, मूंगफली, नारियल का तेल भी पेड़ों से ही मिलता है।
Not only oils, we get many other things from plants. We get wood that is used to make furniture and houses from plants. Pine, bamboo, teak are some common trees that provide wood to make furniture and houses. Even the stationery items that we use like paper, glue, pencils, and erasers are also made from plants. Softwood trees such as pines, spruces, etc. are excellent for paper production. Glue is made from the sap of a pine tree. Hethel's frock and Ba's sari are made from fibers obtained from plants. We obtained fibers from cotton plant.
मतलब प्लांट्स हमारी बेसिक ज़रूरतों को पूरा करते हैं। पेड़ों से हमें भोजन, घर और फर्नीचर बनाने के लिए लकड़ी, स्टेशनरी का सामान जैसे पेंसिल, ग्लू, इरेजर मिलता है और कपड़ा भी कॉटन फाइबर से बनता है।
Do you know plants are also used as medicine and provide us with spices?
What are spices?
Spices are dried parts of plants that add flavor and taste to food and also have some medicinal values. Some common spices in the kitchen are cloves, cinnamon, bay leaves, black pepper, ginger, garlic, etc. Ba usually makes kadha to cure coughs and colds. Do you know kadha is a soothing and immunity boosting hot Ayurvedic drink? Kadha is popular in India. It is made during the winter months. To make kadha, Ba uses some tulsi leaves, takes ginger from the garden, adds some spices and jaggery and boils all these in water. Ginger is a root that has been used as a spice and to cure many diseases for thousands of years. Every evening, Hethel plucks some flowers from the garden for puja.
Why do we use flowers for puja?
It is our tradition to use flowers for puja as the fragrances from the flowers enhance our mood and help us concentrate and focus. But remember, we should not harm the plants while plucking flowers.
मसालों का प्रयोग भोजन के स्वाद और सुगंध को बढ़ाता है। मसालों का उपयोग भारत में औषधि के रूप में भी होता है, जैसे दालचीनी, लौंग, इलायची। Now I understand that plants are very useful for us.
Yes, and that is why we must take care of them.
How can we take care of plants?
To take care of plants, we should water plants every day, not cause harm to plants, grow more and more plants. Like Hethel, we should never forget to water the plants daily.
पेड़ पौधों की देखभाल करने के लिए हमें उन्हें पर्याप्त पानी और खाद देना चाहिए और उन्हें नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाना चाहिए।
In the evening, Ba and Hethel sweep the garden and collect all the fallen leaves and flowers for the compost pit.
What is a compost pit?
A compost pit is the pit that is used to make manures and fertile compounds by dumping dried flowers, leaves, etc. The soil we get from the compost pit is rich in nutrients and it adds nutrients to the garden soil that are required for the growth of plants.
It means composting leaves and flowers is good for our garden.
Dear children, we learnt that plants are so important to us. They give us so many things. We should always remember to take good care of them.
कॉम्पोस्ट पिट जमीन के अंदर बना एक गड्ढा होता है जिसमें वेस्ट प्लांट प्रोडक्ट्स जैसे पत्तियां, सब्जियों के छिलके, फूल को डालकर मिट्टी से ढक देते हैं। कुछ दिनों बाद कॉम्पोस्ट पिट से बनी मिट्टी को फर्टिलाइज़र की तरह उपयोग करते हैं जो मिट्टी को उपजाऊ बनाती है।
Let us review what we have learned. Roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and fruits are the different parts of plants. All the parts of a plant work together. Roots drink water and hold the plant in the ground. Stems hold up the plant. Flowers make seeds. Leaves make food, and fruits protect seeds. Plants give us many things like food, oxygen, wood, fiber, stationery items, oils, medicines, spices, etc. Plants provide food and shelter for animals. It is our duty to take proper care of plants and not harm them. We should grow more plants. Compost pits are used to make manures by dumping dried leaves and flowers in a pit. The soil in the compost pit is rich in nutrients. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Wood Apple Resources.